Welcome back to day 24 of Enigma's Ink Vent. My name's Nancy, and this is Scathingly Brilliant Idea. I'm going to find my penny do my best to rub these off. Platinum Mixable Emerald Bay. All right, another Platinum Mixable. I'm going to have fun now that I know that the color chart is on their website of finding ways I can mix these colors. I have the brown already, and then this is the third color in here. So I have to, there's one and one. Okay. So let's get going. I forgot to clean this off from the last one. Alrighty, let's find a clean pipette and get going. Emerald green. Oh no, this looks like Emerald de Chivor. It's like more of a teal, but we'll see. Without the shimmer, which is fun. Let's spread this around and see what we got. Yep, that's what I would call it. I wouldn't call this emerald. Well, I guess I take that back. So everybody thinks emeralds are just green, but they actually come in hues of blue. So one of my daughters spent some time in Bogota with her dissertation, and I was lucky enough to go visit her a couple of times. And the last time we were there, finally got some emeralds. Downtown Bogota has a emerald trading center. And I mean, there's like literally hundreds of jewelry stores. And so I finally got an emerald necklace for myself and then one for her. And the emerald I got was from the Muzo mine. I think that's how you Muzo or Muzo, which is the biggest one, and then Chivor is also a popular mine in Colombia, and the emeralds from Chivor have this bluish tint to them. They're really lovely. I got her one from that region, but the one I ended up with was not. Actually, they made a custom necklace for me because I told them what I was looking for and they didn't have exactly that, but they were able to design one for me that met what I was looking for at the price point I was comfortable with. So that's a little background on why I hear people say that Emerald de Chivor doesn't look like emeralds, but in fact, there are bluish green emeralds. I digress. Platinum. So I am a little ecstatic to have this color because I don't like all the shimmer in the Jacques Herbin ink, emerald green. But I love the color of it, the base color, especially for the holidays. Alrighty, so let's see. I will do this next. So get some fresh drops on here to try on my Corona paper. It's so pretty. I don't know why my glass spoon is wanting to migrate so far up, but we're getting close. Only one day left. Can you believe it? Okay, platinum mixable. Did I call it Emerald City or Emerald Green? Emerald, oh, it's not even close. It's Emerald Bay. I'm glad I looked that up. It's wrong on the Christmas tree, but that's okay. So maybe there's a bay that has this color of water in it. Emerald Bay. That's also a housing area in Laguna. So I will pull out my sample of the Emerald de Chivor to show you what I mean about the undertones being very, very similar. I can't seem to find anything now. There it is. There it is. So, well, it is a little bit different, I would say. This is the platinum is more green, and the Jacques Herbin is definitely more blue, with the red sheen and gold shimmer in it. And this just has some of the red sheen. So since I've already shown you the Platinum website, Platinum Mixable website, and all the different colors, I'm not going to go ahead and do that again. But I will show you what it looks like on the other papers in close-up. So this is what it looks like on the Canopus. And this is what it looks like on the Tomoe River paper. So we've got a nice little collection of nice bold jewel tone colors going. Okay, thanks for watching, and be sure to come back for the final day tomorrow.